on the show now. Yay. Yay. And I'm gonna hang off it now. Yo.
My turn.
The flies are bothering you?
Yeah.
They don't kill.
It can't go back.
It's part of the environment.
There's some plastic there.
I think we have to get some hooks and come fishing.
Oh, what about the fish trap?
Oh,
Back
yeah.
to Oregon. Back to my tails are going to the water.
Yeah, let it go far and let's see. Now, please, Apex. And now, please step back a little bit. Thank you.
Mommy.
Hey,
on the show.
Hey.
Okay. Jeremiah on the show.
Let it come back.
Send it back. Jeremiah can't send it. I can
Hold
send it
on.
back.
It's coming.
It's coming. They said it would be fast, but it's not fast. They'll say it will be fast as in the